Understanding level death benefits in life insurance. When considering life insurance, understanding the nuances of the policies available is crucial. One term that often arises in discussions about life insurance is level death benefit. This article will delve into what a level death benefit entails, how it compares with other types of benefits, and the implications for policyholders. What is a level death benefit? A level death benefit is a predetermined payout from a life insurance policy that remains constant throughout the life of the policy. No matter when the insured individual dies, whether shortly after the policy's purchase or years later, the beneficiaries will receive the same amount, which is stipulated in the policy at the outset. For example, if a policyholder selects a level death benefit of $500,000, that same amount will be paid out upon their death, regardless of when it occurs, as long as the policy remains active. Several life insurance options offer this type of benefit, including both term life insurance and permanent life insurance. Options for increasing benefits. While level death benefits provide a fixed amount, some life insurance policies offer increasing death benefits. These policies adjust the death benefit upwards over time to account for potential inflation and changing financial needs. It is essential to weigh the pros and cons when deciding between these options. Level death benefit, lower premiums, predictable payouts, but loss of value over time due to inflation. Increasing death benefit, typically higher premiums due to the growing payout amount which counteracts inflation but can be more challenging for insurers to predict liability. Premium considerations. Generally, policies with a level death benefit have lower premiums compared to those that offer increasing death benefits. From an insurance company's perspective, the level death benefit is less risky, as this fixed liability is easier to forecast. Insurers can, therefore, charge lower premiums, making this option attractive to those on a budget. The impact of inflation on death benefits. One notable aspect of level death benefits is their vulnerability to inflation. Over time, the purchasing power of money declines. This means that a $500,000 death benefit today may only have the purchasing power equivalent to $114,000 in 50 years, assuming an average annual inflation rate of 3%. Given this possible depreciation in value, policyholders should consider ways to safeguard their beneficiaries' financial future. Protecting against inflation. To offset the erosion of value due to inflation, consider 1. Inflation riders. Many insurers offer options to attach riders that adjust the death benefit to keep pace with inflation. 2. Investment strategies. Policyholders can choose to invest their savings separately to generate a return that outpaces inflation. For example, a person might save the difference in premium costs that arise from choosing a level death benefit and invest it, potentially yielding substantial returns over the long term. Real-world application, a case study. Consider the example of John, a hypothetical insurance buyer who at 30 years old, seeks to secure his family's financial future. With a steady income, he decides on a whole life policy with a level death benefit of $500,000, paying roughly $300 monthly for the premium. He also allocates his remaining income for investment, saving an additional $400 per month. After 50 years, taking into account a typical inflation rate, John's $500,000 death benefit will depreciate to only $114,000 in today's dollars, significantly less than what it would seem to be worth at first glance. Meanwhile, John's monthly investments, assuming a moderate 6% return, could accumulate to over $1.5 million by the time he reaches retirement. This highlights the necessity of a dual strategy, guaranteeing a death benefit while also investing to stay ahead of inflation. Conclusion. Choosing a level death benefit policy is a decision that should reflect both personal circumstances and financial goals. While it offers predictable payouts and generally lower premiums, the negative impact of inflation on the real value of the death benefit is a significant consideration. Policyholders should also be proactive and seek additional investment opportunities or riders to combat inflation over the long term. Consulting with an insurance agent can provide tailored advice and help ensure that life insurance selections align with long-term financial objectives. In essence, while a level death benefit can provide peace of mind, a comprehensive financial plan, which includes careful consideration of inflation's impact and investment opportunities, is essential for securing your family's future.